Remember when keeping your data private meant keeping it offline? Well, I am Atfataya, and today I'm going to blow your mind. What if I told you you could have a ChatGPT level intelligence that read your private documents, answer any question about them without a single byte leaving your laptop? No API keys, no monthly fees, no trust issues. Just you, your file, and an AI that runs entirely on your machine. Let's build something incredible. Look, we have all been there. You have got confidential contracts, personal journals, proprietary research, stuff you would never upload to OpenAI. But you still want that magical AI search capability, right? That's why I spent the last week building this. This RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, running 100% locally. Think of it as giving your computer a photographic memory for every document you own. In my last video, we got the basic covered, but let's be honest, it looked like a prototype. Today, we are going full production. First upgrade, multi-file support, PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints. If you can read it, this app can too. But here's where it gets clever. Ever tried to search a scanned document? Nightmare, right? Watch this. Our app now has OCR superpowers, scanned contracts, photographic notes, that receipt from 2019 you somehow still need. All searchable. And if the OCR fails, we have got fallbacks, because in the real world, good software expects that. Here's the thing about developer tools. They usually look like, well, developer tools, but not anymore. We have visual views so that you know what you have uploaded, suggested questions that actually make sense, and my personal favorite, one-click PDF export. Your answer, your sources, formatted like a professional report. Because if it's worth asking, it's worth saving. Time for the real test. I am uploading. Attention is all you need. Yeah, the paper that started the AI revolution. And immediately, we got the answer. Not just an answer, the answer. With citations, running on my M1 MacBook Pro Max, no internet required. And there is our beautiful PDF. Meeting ready, client ready, actually useful. Before we dive into code, here's the big picture. Our app has a few key players. App.py is our front door. It's the Streamlit web interface you see. The real engine is RAG_utility.py, which handles all the heavy lifting, processing documents, talking to the AI, everything. And finally, we have Ollama, our local AI brain. They work together like this. I have organized the project to keep things clean. App.py handles the user interface. RAG_utility.py is the powerhouse containing all our core logic. And we have a couple of helper scripts for command line testing. This separation makes it way easier to manage and upgrade later. No over-engineering, just a smart, practical setup. Here's where it gets clever. We don't ask the user if a PDF is scanned, we just try to read it with our powerful OCR tool first. If that fails for any reason, it automatically falls back to a simpler text extractor. The user never needs to know, it just works. That's how you build robust software. And now for the chunking strategy. Think of this like cutting a book into chapters. We split documents into overlapping chunks so nothing gets lost between the cracks. The overlap is crucial. It preserves context. As for the vector database, this is where the magic happens. We use our local Mistral model to convert text chunks into mathematical vectors, a meaning map of your documents. Then, we store these vectors in a comma database that lives entirely in your computer's memory. It's temporary, private, and disappears when you close the app. Zero digital footprint. Now we connect to Ollama, but we don't just ask it a question. We give it very specific instructions using a prompt template. We tell it, use only the documents I gave you. Don't use your general knowledge. This is the secret to getting factual answers and preventing the AI from making things up. As for the search magic, when you ask a question, the chain springs into action. It searches the vector database for the most relevant document chunks, bundles them with your question and our specific prompt, and hands it all to your local AI. What comes back is a precise source answer. It's like having a research assistant who has already read everything. Finally, the polish. It is not just about looks, it's about utility. My favorite feature is the one-click PDF export. We generate the entire report in memory, then hand the raw data to a Streamlit download button. It's clean, efficient, and makes your result instantly shareable. And that's it. A few hundred lines of Python that give you a private ChatGPT for your documents. No cloud, no subscription, just code that you own and control. Look, I get it. Local AI sounds like a compromise, but what if it's not? What if privacy is not a limitation? It's superpower. Law firms analyzing confidential cases, publisher working on unpublished data, or maybe you want to search your journal without judging eye. This is not just a tool, it's freedom. And there you have it, a production-ready rack system that respects your privacy and your intelligence. And the best part, it's open source. Code is in the description. Go wild. If this blew your mind like it blew mine, smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment. What would you build with a truly private AI? Finally, I am Fataya. Keep your data close and your AI closer.